thought you'd go unpunished, as if God ain't real. Now it's time for judgment, so how does it feel? We were watching from a distance when you had them in the fields. Did you enjoy your position? Now that it's time to yield. Oh no, don't weep. Now that it's our turn to eat, we invite you to the feast. Enjoy the right meat. We watched you graze like cattle, ate the fruit with the snake that rattled, enjoyed the bloodshed from battles, enslaved the children in your castles. Did you believe there was no God? Thought you'd get away with no regard? Thought you were really in charge? Tell me exactly how it feels hard. So send a call to all of the nations. Soon cometh the reparations.